And we are going to continue with our Power of Words series. So welcome to my channel, everyone. Power of Words series would be in English because the words which we use are mostly English words, and I would like to convey these remedies to everyone such that everyone can understand. Okay, so let's continue with the video. Today we are going to see the remedy for getting rid of debts. Okay, so that's a major problem for everyone. There are a number of things which is there, but if you see whatever we do in whichever thing, we can see luck playing its own part. So luck is definitely there in life, and these energies are also, based on luck, getting the positive vibes, and there are a number of things, that luck is a part of life. So switchword works in a way that it penetrates your conscious mind and goes into the subconscious. And if you had read the Power of Subconscious book, you know how powerful subconscious mind is. Whatever you think in your subconscious mind as you become the same. Okay. So there are a number of movies, if you see, to show how powerful the subconscious mind is, and whatever you want, if you can just convey it to the subconscious mind, and if you can make your subconscious mind believe that that is what you are, or you can manifest anything easily, then your subconscious mind attracts it for you. That's how it is. So now, if you want to clear the debts, first of all, you have to do the negative thoughts removal. Do that for 3 minutes every day, or you can do the 369 method. Okay, so you can do this whole remedy in 369 method. So first thing is to remove the negative thoughts, do clear, cancel, delete. Clear, cancel, delete. Clear, cancel, delete. So I did it 3 times. So clear, cancel, delete. So do that. Start with removing the negative thoughts. Okay. Then what you can do is, this is the switch word for removing the debts from you. Okay. And the switch word is, note it down, take a pen and paper, note it down, and try to do it repeatedly. I would advise, if you can do it in 369 every day, that would accumulate good energy. Tell 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times in the night before sleep, and morning as soon as you get up. Okay. So to clear debts, lemon drop, cancel, elate, magic, somehow. Okay. Lemon drop, cancel, elate, magic, somehow. Lemon drop, cancel, elate, magic, somehow. Okay, so this is the exact switch word for removing debts. And see, whenever you have something like debt, and that is also a problem to you, right? So that's also a problem to you. So whenever you face any problem, this is not for the debt. Whenever you face any problem, you can use this switch word, which is suddenly 741 somehow. Suddenly 741 somehow. Suddenly 741 somehow. So here 741 is the they tell it as code or angel number for signal of fulfillment. So it is like fulfilled, and it's happening like that. Okay. So these are the 3 switch words, or the 3 and these are the switch words totally for 3 different things. Try it, do it repeatedly. So if you want to do it all 3 together, do it in the 369 way. So morning, all 3 times, afternoon, all 3 6 times, night, all 3 9 times. And if at all, if you want to do it in a, other than telling, if you want to follow some other techniques, these are the other techniques for doing it. You can write it in a paper like this, in an energy circle, draw an energy circle and write it inside the paper. And what you can do is that you can place it on your transparent water bottle. The water bottle should be transparent. No other thing should be there. Or you can keep it on your study desk and keep water bottle on top of it, so that the bottle, the water in the bottle can absorb the energy. Also, you can keep this under your pillow while you sleep. So in that way also it transmits the energy of the words. Okay, that's also possible. So it's just that because it would be in our own aura. So when we don't understand how different things works in different ways, how our aura works, And aura is not just within us, it spreads away from our body. So whoever comes in close proximity, they can even sense our aura, how our aura is it positive or negative? See, if someone comes inside a room, see, consider you are a group of people sitting in a room, and if someone comes inside, you can either feel, you at times feel that very energetic, very positive seeing a person, or at times you will feel somewhat, energy being drained, or you being sucked out of that positive energy. I mean, that positive energy sucked out from you. So your emotions can vary with different people, and that is because of their aura, what has been accumulated in their auric field. So that can give you other power. I can tell it's like an additional sensory power, which is also called our intuition. So that will give you a sense of how that particular person is, and you can understand people better in this way. Trust me, in this way. So do try this out and tell me if this is solving your loan and debt issues. Switch words are really powerful, and switch words go into your subconscious. It's not that the word has power, not just that. Your subconscious brain has power to use these words in weird ways. And also this is a part of law of attraction and of course AstroPsychology. And do mention in the comment section if this works for you. Also, I forgot to give you one more thing. Because it is debt issue, you can also try this urgent money manifestation along with this video. It's also available in other videos, but I'm just giving it along with the debt video. So which is 897-781-741-847, 897-781-741-897, 897-781-741-847. Write this in your left hand. So so whenever I do this, whenever I write it in my left hand, or whenever I even take videos about this instant money manifestation, I get immediate, consultation booking, and it's like so instantaneous. I don't know how that even worked, but it's so instant. Try this money manifestation numbers as well. Okay. Thank you so much.